In this video, we will see what is the difference between abstract class and interface in Java. Abstract class and interfaces are used for abstraction in Java. Abstraction means the process of separating ideas from their actions. Before Java 8 and Java 9, abstract classes are used to achieve 0 to 100% abstraction, but interfaces are used to achieve 100% abstraction. That means before Java 8 and 9, interfaces are allowing only abstract methods only, but abstract class can allow both abstract and non-abstract methods also. After Java 9, abstract class are still allowing both abstract and non-abstract methods. But in Java 8 and Java 9, there are some changes are there for interfaces. Interfaces are allowing default, static, private and private static methods are allowing in interfaces. So these methods are concrete methods. So that is the reason after the Java 9, interfaces are used to achieve the abstraction 0 to 100%. Variables and fields. By default, interface variables are public, static, final. If you declare or not declare, they will be public, static, final. If you declare any other keywords than these three keywords, it will give error. In this example, we try to give private and protected. It is giving error saying that private is not allowed here, protected is not allowed here. Like that we will get the variables of the interface compulsory we should initialize at the time of declaration. If you are not initialized at the time of declaration, it will give error saying that variable account number might not have been initialized. Like that it will give error. So we should compulsory initialize at the time of declaration. When it comes to abstract class, we can able to define any type of keywords for the variables: static, final, private, protected, transient, volatile. We can able to define. There is no restriction. And the variables also at the time of declaration, no need to initialize. We can able to initialize later also. Methods. Before Java 8, interface methods are public and abstract. In Java 8, they introduced default and static methods. In Java 9, they introduced private and private static methods. So, after Java 9, interfaces allow public, abstract, default, static, private static methods. If you declare a methods other than these keywords, it will give errors. When it comes to abstract class, there is no restriction. Abstract class can have public, abstract, static, private, protected, strictify, native, synchronized, etc. We can able to define any other keywords also for abstract classes. Interfaces allows default methods from Java 8, but abstract class won't allow these default methods. When you declare default for abstract class method, it will give error. Interfaces will not allow constructors, instance initialize blocks and static blocks. If you add these instance initialize blocks, static initialize blocks and constructors inside the interfaces, it will give error saying that not allowed in interfaces. When it comes to abstract class allows constructors, static initialize blocks and instance initialize blocks. There is no restriction for the abstract classes. Interfaces can extend more than one interface, so we can achieve multiple inheritance through interfaces. Abstract class won't allow more than one class. These are all the main differences between abstract class and interface in Java. For more information about interfaces and abstract classes, links are added in the description. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.